You don't have to be a designer, a developer, or a tech wizard to launch a stunning website. I just found a tool that does it all just by answering a few questions. In today's video, we are going to be going over Neo and how it can actually build you a website from start to finish. So without further ado, let's hop straight into today's video. Let's go. Okay, guys, as you can see, I'm now on the official website of Neo. So please make sure that you go to neo.space AI and website builder. So this is how the homepage will present itself. So the way that you are going to sign up is you are going to go to the top right hand side of your screen and you are going to click get started. So once you have done that, it will redirect you to a different page, and this is where you will go and tell us what your site is about. So let's make an apparel and fashion one. Describe your business idea, or you can even skip this, but this is where you are going to go and you are going to generate the site. I'm going to go and I'm going to paste it in. I'm going to paste it in right then. I'm going to say generate site. So then I'm going to give it a couple of minutes and it's going to start generating the site. And then after we have signed up and filled in all of our details, we are going to actually sign in. So as you can see, it says it's a success. Generate site, we click that, and then it will start building your Neo site with AI magic. So there we go. It will do that. And once it's done with that, we will sign in and I will show you how the dashboard of Neo actually looks and how useful it really is. Okay, guys, so as you can see, Neo just built me a couple of websites here that I'm going to go through. So basically what Neo does is it instantly builds you a website based on that prompt that you just typed in. So if I go through all of the websites, you'll see that they will have a homepage, a good layout, and they will also have auto-generated content within seconds. So for example, the pictures that you can see in this website is all auto-generated literally within seconds. Okay, guys, so what this will include is it will actually include a free domain, a business email, and different templates, as you can see right here. So all of them have a bit of a different look if we go through them. So we can also go to the side and you can go and choose which one you want. So as I said, free domain, a business email, and even custom templates, which is pretty cool for literally doing that just based off a prompt. Okay, guys, so you can go down in the description of this video. There will be a link and you will get exclusive discount only by clicking that link, and you can only get it through this video. So make sure that you go and click that link to get your exclusive discount today. Okay, guys, as you can see, we are back on the website. So I'm going to just tell you a little bit more about what Neo is, and then we are going to sign in and I'm going to show you exactly how the dashboard will look inside of Neo and how our website actually looks right now. So first of all, Neo is an AI site builder. So basically what it will do is it will build an entire website for you instantly and automatically just based on a prompt. And it's also built for beginners because you don't need to know coding. You don't have to have designing skills, and it will literally require no skills for Neo to build the website. The only thing that it will require is a prompt. So this is perfect for personal portfolios, small businesses, and even freelance services. So you can go and use it whether you are in one of those three industries. And I'm pretty sure you can find many more reasons to want to use Neo. Okay, guys, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sign back in and we are going to go through our website that Neo just built in seconds. Let's go. So as you can see, we are signed in right now, so we can go through our website. We can go through the different pages, but something that I wanted to highlight is that it instantly gives you a domain as well as a business email, and your domain and your business email are connected. So that means you can instantly start to communicate once your website goes published. And another great thing is that your website and your business email is connected. So that means the moment your website goes live, you can actually start to communicate, and that is literally instantly. So this website is ready to go live and you can then start to communicate as soon as it goes live. Okay, guys, so this is honestly just a complete online identity. It's not just a web page. As you can see, it really gives it a good look. And as I said, a thing that I wanted to highlight is that it gives you that domain and business email, and you're ready to communicate instantly. And just to quickly show you how it will actually work with your domain or create your domain is if you go here, it will use that part of your email to create the domain. So as you can see, if my email was info@homebakery.co.site, it will make it www.homebakery.co.site. And that is what it will actually do. So it took my email address and it made it davidshaw.co.site. site. So that is actually how smart Neo actually is. And Neo will adapt to your needs, whether you're a designer, a consultant, or a creator. You can literally go and you can edit anything on the site. So as you can see, we can edit the links, we can edit the gallery, and you have the options to go crazy and really make the website your own. And your site will always stay responsive and modern across all platforms. So as you can see, we have a desktop and we have the mobile device as well. And look how smart and modern this looks. So it will stay responsive across a desktop or even a mobile device. Click the link in the description to get your exclusive discount and build your website with the Neo Site Builder. It's fast, it's smart, and it's built for creators like you. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload, and we'll see you in the next one.